Namaste, Hamesha Kushravatiya. I am JV Dr. Meenakshi, Assistant Professor in Department of Shalakya Tantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है ट्रैकोमा. It is a leading cause of infective blindness globally. More than 150 million people have been affected, associated with poor hygiene and inadequate sanitation. Recent estimates show 59 countries are endemic and India has high burden. It is known as the Egyptian ophthalmia, northern western belt of India. Definition: the chronic granulomatous keratoconjunctivitis. It is caused by the chlamydia trachomatis A, B, BA, and C. Mainly affects children at early age who develop blindness later. It is a cause of 3.6% of global blindness, as said by the WHO. It is highly contagious disease. It's spread by transfer of conjunctival secretions through fingers, towels, flies, etc. Pathology of trachoma. C. trachomatis. It is prokaryotic obligatory intercellular parasite. Halberstator provosic inclusion bodies in epithelial cells of conjunctiva, not pathognomic. Primary infection by the epithelia of conjunctiva and cornea. Diffuse inflammation, congestion, papillary enlargement, follicles in the conjunctiva. Recurrent infection. Type 4 hypersensitivity to silver. Is an image of the conjunctival follicle and the conjunctival papilla. Lymphocytic infiltration of adenoid layer. The liver cells are found. These are the necrosed and multinucleated giant cells. Cicatricial bands in later stages characteristic, and outline is found, which is a white conjunctival scar at junction of lower third and upper two-third of superior tarsus. Risk factors are 6Ds: dry, dusty, dirty, dung, discharge, density. Transmission of trachoma by 5Fs: fingers, flies, face, feces, vomits. Predisposing factors: age more in infancy and childhood, sex commoner in females, dry and dusty environment, low socioeconomic status, unhygienic conditions, lack of sanitation. Spread of infections: direct vector material, direct contact with airborne or waterborne infections, vector flies, material most important. Clinical features: the incubation period is 5 to 21 days. Onset is subacute, but on massive outbreaks can be acute. Symptoms are watering, foreign body sensation, redness, mucopollulant discharge, photophobia, blurring, mild pain. Signs are upper tarsal conjunctiva, most common affected, appears red, velvety, congested. Trachomatous follicle, essential lesion up to 5 mm size, characteristic distribution up on upper fornix, most commonly upper margin of tarsus, palpable conjunctiva. Then there will be scarring of conjunctiva, Al's line, limbal follicles, Herbert pits, which are oval or pitted scars in limbus. Here you can see the image of trachomatous follicles and the Herbert pits, an image of Herbert pits. Cornea: the early superficial keratitis on SLE in upper part due to erosion. Later, the trachomatous pannus starts in upper half, then spreads centrally to involve whole cornea. Vascularization in between basement membrane epithelium, Bowman's membrane epithelium. Pannus progressive, regressive. When the vessels are parallel, directed towards the downward infiltration ahead of vessels. Pannus is regressive, vessels are ahead of infiltration. Ulcers most common at advancing edge of pannus, then corneal opacity. Here you can see the image of the pannus. Lids: the edema is present, trichiasis, distichiasis, entropion, scarring, trachomatosis. The two stages are active and cicatricial trachoma. According to WHO classification, it is called a FISTO, developed by for use by trained personnel other than ophthalmologists to assess the prevalence and severity of trachoma in population-based surveys in endemic areas. First is trachomatous follicular active disease, 5 or more follicles of more than or equal to 0.5 mm or upper tarsus, deep conjunctival vessels seen if treated properly, no scarring. Trachomata intense, it is a severe disease, needs urgent treatment, diffuse involvement of the tarsal conjunctiva obscuring 50% or more of the normal deep tarsal vessels. Papillae are present. Then trachomatis scarring. In active infection, conjunctival scarring is present, visible fibrous white bands on tarsal conjunctiva. Then trachomatis tracheasis, at least one lash touching the globe, needs corrective surgery. Last is corneal opacity, sufficient to blur details of at least part of the pupillary margin. Second classification is the Macallan's classification. Stage 1 is the incipient trachoma, stage of infiltration. There occurs the hyperemia of palpable conjunctiva and immature follicles. Second stage is the stage of fluid filtration. Mature follicles are there, papilla, progressive panels. Stage 3, cicatricic trachoma, stage of scarring. Stage 4 is the healed trachoma, stage of sequelae. Then diagnosis requires at least two of the following clinical features, that is follicles on the upper tarsal conjunctiva, limbal follicles and their sequel, Herbert-Pitts, typical tarsal conjunctival scarring, and vascular panels most marked on the superior limbus. Then sequel, lids will see the trichiasis, entropion, tylosis, ptosis, medrosis, in conjunctiva, concretions, pseudocyst, xerosis, symblepharon, in cornea, opacity, ectasia, xerosis, total corneal penis, punctal stenosis, fibrosis of canaliculi. Then lab investigations, conjunctival inclusion bodies, gizma, iodine, immunofluorescence staining, conjunctival cytology, gizma stain, PMN with Leber cells, ELISA test, PCR, microimmunofluorescence for ABS, direct monoclonal AB microscopy, rapid and inexpensive, McCoy cell cultures, then differential diagnosis from allergic vernal conjunctivitis, bacterial conjunctivitis, and follicular conjunctivitis, then management. First one is treatment of active disease and sequelae. Second one is prevention. Treatment of active disease, the antibiotics are the mainstay. Orally, the azithromycin 1 gram stat is given, tetracycline or erythromycin 250 mg, QID for 4 weeks, doxycycline 100 mg BD for 4 weeks. Topically best for individual cases, cheaper, no systemic side effects are there. Regimes are 1% tetracycline or erythromycin eye ointment, QID for 6 weeks, 20% sulfectamide eye drops thrice daily with 1% tetracycline ointment at bedtime for 6 weeks. Of other topical antibiotics for secondary bacterial infections, lubricants, analgesics. Thank you so much. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you so much.